This is Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. And it's got two things. First, it has a C major 7 chord. Very easy to do. I just want to talk about the designation. It's a C major 7. You have to say the major part. The major doesn't go with the chord itself, it goes with the 7th. So it's a C major 7th. And you can designate it with a capital M, 7, or small M-A-J, 7. You'll see it both ways on the sheet I gave you, because you'll see it both ways. But it's very important to get that it's a major 7th as opposed to this kind of 7th, which is really a dominant 7th. And we just call it a 7th. But the designation for this chord is C major 7. Now the other chord here that's difficult is that one's not difficult, but this one is E minor. Now I do it this way. I do it with with 1, 2, 3 like that. The way it is in the chord chart is like this with all 4 fingers. Much harder to do. One good thing about this is if you do this and learn how to do this, then you can just slide it up, F minor, slide it up, F sharp minor, slide it up, G minor, etc., etc. You can even go this way and have an E flat minor. But for this song, and for you most of the time when I do an E minor, I'm going to do it this way. I'm just going to take up the pinky all together and then put the ring finger where the pinky was. The other 2 fingers stay the same. That's an E minor chord. Okay. The hard part is going to go from the E minor to the A7. E minor to A7. So I'm going to do it a little slower than we should do this song. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And we're going to vamp until the singing starts. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. 1, 2, 3, sorry. 1, 2, and raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turned in red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. Now you can go back to the bridge. There's one thing I know, the blues won't defeat me. And I want to do that little part right after the hole punch. Happiness steps up to meet me. I wrote out the rhythm for you, but it's 1, F, G. So it's 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. Okay, and you do that twice. Okay, I'm going to do it a little faster now, just a little bit. So, yeah, I'll make that a different video.